see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to see your Instagram password if you forgot it is you have to open your Google app and then search for the Google password manager like this, and search this. And when you search this, then you can see the first option, Google password manager. Click on this first link of this option, and here what you have to do is you come to the your Google account password manager. So you can switch to another account by clicking on the this your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you can switch to the another account. So if your account password is saved in this Instagram account, so what your next step is you have to search for the Instagram. So let's see, I search this, and here you can see it come. So click on the Instagram, and then here you have to enter your password. So after entering password, click on the next, and now it will open like this one, and here you can see all your account password with your username. So you can see the username and the password of all your account. So what you have to do to see the any account's password, and so what you can do to see any of the account's password is you can see the first option. This is the username, and under this you can see this dot dot dot. This is the your password. So, and in the right side of this dot you can see this I like button with the a line. So when you click on this line, then it will open like this one, and here you can see this is my password. So that's basically it, that how you can see your Instagram password. So to hide this password, you have to again click on this I button, and now it is hidden. Now to again see your password, you have to click on the I button in the right side of these dots, and then you can see your password. So that's basically it, that how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.